Join us this week as we visit LEGOLAND Discovery Center, Dallas, Fort Worth.
Oh, cheese. I don't even know. Possible weights. When they build stuff in here.
Those are your moves. Ninja training zone,
yeah.
Whoa, Wes, get up there. Whoa, look at these
Whoa.
ninjas.
You're supposed to touch your colors. They're tied at 500. Aubrey's winning.
Oh, Aubrey's winning!
Aubrey's winning.
I want to try.
Yep.
They only gave us your color. I'm gonna get ready to save the princess. I found new pieces. I'll put them together. It's my Segway. Yeah. Go down the race.
Okay, let's see it.
Steve! Guys, your Segway.
Ready? There's cars over here, yeah, that you guys can drive.
There's real life Lego-sized cars that you can actually drive.
You guys ready for the ride? That was good.
You got it.
There it goes. It's launching.
That's cool.
Cool. The timer, yeah.
This is Act 1. I'm pretty sure you can get some Lego art just like
This is made by somebody here.
See what it is? It's like the OG one over here, but then they put real Lego. They want the OG one.
These are all from Thaddeus Bennett.
You know? Oh, look at this one behind you. There's like...
What? It's the screaming guy! Wait, it's like an actual artwork.
Yeah, recreated it.
Oh, yeah.
This girl, why is her just a golf ball?
Mona Lisa. It's got two sides. It goes from Lego to... That's good, yeah. It's a regular Mona Lisa over here. That is crazy. Oh, tiger.
You guys notice Mona Lisa?
We're shooting that. Was cool, yeah.
That's my favorite thing I've ever made.
You made
You
that?
made
I
it?
made all of
Oh,
those.
awesome. That is a really cool one.
It's normally this, but it's not wave picture. Where'd it go?
That's goated.
A basketball player. Wait, he's got real shoes. This is like slime.
This is supposed to be like the Dallas Fort Worth area, yeah.
Oh, there's a giant minigator on this board.
The movement.
Look, that is moving. Did you not see it?
Guys, look, I found Great Wolf Lodge. Look, it's where we are. We went to SEA Life earlier, and now we're in Legoland.
It's where we are right now. Oh, what's on the ground? Guys, there's a mine shaft underground.
Stuff underground?
Pay attention on the ground.
Oh, is there a mine?
It's a mine shaft. Yeah.
Mine shaft?
Look at
I'm doing it. Well, that's fun.
You had the pedal to go higher. That's why I was
I've seen you guys
If
pedal
you
on the
don't
way.
use the pedal, you fall down and you go really slow. We didn't see this one.
Oh, look at the butterflies. This
Where
is where they make
Look, Thaddeus, you know.
But where's Mama? It's Steve!
Actually, we met the master builder. That's pretty cool, huh? So the kids built.
Person?
Someone did a shoe and someone did a lamp. Yeah.
That's nice. It's for little kids.
It's a good way to spend the
whole
day.
day,
Super fun.
yeah. Inside's got almost like a children's museum kind of vibe where they can kind of run around and do a pretty cool.
That's fun. The mall is huge. I had no idea. So lots
Yeah.
of shopping.
The
and
mall
food.
itself
Went to the
is
Rainforest
awesome.
Cafe
Yeah,
for
went to
lunch.
Rainforest Cafe. Yeah,
Sea
started
Life
out at
was
Sea
super
Life.
cool.
Sea Life was awesome, a lot bigger than we thought too. So overall, really cool. And the mall's cool too. How do you like the water park so far?
I like the Robux too.
You like it so far?
Yeah.
Splash pads?
Like a mini water park.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Slides. Cute little slides.
It has 2 entrance slides.
Yeah. All right.
All right, this is it. We can't come back after this. Okay. Look, Mama, you can't buy the Mona Lisa piece. I got this bad girl home already. I haven't put it together yet though.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch this video next.